Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Learning Life and Loving Reyes Skiers. My name is your host, Tommy Cam. In today's video, what I would like to talk to you guys a little bit about in this video is my top 4 things that I learned from using the Uniden Bearcat BC 125 AT all the way up to the uniden Home Patrol 2 back down to that Reyes scanner right there. So I hope you guys are ready. If you guys are, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell, and let's get started. So the probably the first thing that I learned from using that Reyes scanner was that there wasn't much like stuff to listen to in my area, because everywhere was going to go in digital. Everywhere I'm getting to is like either NXDN if I live down there in Lawrence County. The only thing down there in Lawrence County I could listen to would be the fire dispatch and a couple of the jail channels. In the other channels, if I bring my Home Patrol 2, I could listen to like the different Reyes channels up there in Monroe County. But down there in Orange County, which I thought was really different, and like the thing that I learned from the overall picture on like the Reyes scanners. I learned that living in like Indiana and like not living in like New York City, where like New York City, you go there, they have like so much analog radio channels. It's like crazy, but they are trying to turn it back over to like different radio channels like you guys can even listen to. All right. So I used to listen to this channel, which I'm hoping that I get to whenever I go back living in July there in downtown Bloomington over there at the Switchyard, because I'll be really close to the bus lot and I'll be able to see their transceiver. Which also another thing which I think is really kind of interesting in like the different radio channels that I listen to around here in this area is that there is just like not that much that I can listen to. Now, I know that there's like Owen County I could listen to. I know there's like the Monroe County Sheriff I could listen to. I know there's like the Jackson County Sheriff if I go down there to Lawrence County. Also got the Martin County Sheriff, even got the GMA channels, which those are okay, just saying. But the thing that I'm getting in that I think is really different, and like so very different from each radio channel that we try to listen to at a single minute. It's like also like another thing that I should have learned when I had the BC 125 AT. It's that the only way for you to listen to that is like take it down there to Florida. Well, I did take it down there to Florida for a little bit, and I was on a cruise ship and I tried to listen to their local radio frequencies. There was like not that much I could see that I could listen to, because looking around like on the different radio reference forums, on the different stuff like that, there is just like so much different stuff that I've listened to throughout my life. All right. So the first thing we already talked about, think about your area from analog to digital. Okay. The second thing I'm wanting you to talk about, it's using the right software. Okay. So just to let you guys know, they talk about using the uniden BC125 AT software, which that software is like a really good software for people to go like look around and like also find out more different places. And like another thing that I learned from being a YouTuber and learning that 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 if you're going to go to a place with a DMR radio scanner and like trying out to listen to radio scanners like on Bloomington Transit or like rural transit, which I definitely would not recommend listening to radio traffic on rural transit because they don't got any, okay? So like the Orange County Transit Authority, they have much radio communication on there as much as we do. So just saying like another thing, like let's just say if you guys are wanting to listen to like Walmart or like one of those stores, something that I recommend is to make sure to check and see if your mall does not use encrypted. You guys can find more information on different stuff because I cannot help but tell you guys there is like going to be some days that you guys are just not going to hear nothing. Now turn you guys around, let you guys see that. That right there was DNR. So DNR is like a really busy radio channel. So you see right here, that's IU Police Dispatch. And it says Bloomington on there. That right there is like, that was Owen County.
This is a deer car accident. The deer is out on the road, however, that vehicle is in the roadway.
Yeah. So that one was Owen County. And what's different about listening to Owen County from all the other places in Indiana, like what you guys can find, there could be like multiple areas that I'm talking about. Like, let's just say, let's talk about Los Angeles, okay? Los Angeles, California had so much different stuff there that I could have listened to. But if I took that DM1701, but there was so much like different radio traffic. There was like different stuff that I could listen to like inside a single moment, which I thought which was really different on there, which I honestly used, okay? So the first thing that I would recommend that what everybody does, and this is just a thing that I would do, is just follow your instincts on taking a radio scanner. Now, if you guys are like at an airport, that'll be okay, waiting for your flight. Now, if you're on the aircraft looking around at those radio frequencies, I wouldn't do that on the aircraft because they have their own antennas, they have their own stuff they even have busy pilots up there that you guys cannot even hear. So the fourth thing that I would recommend, we talked about the first, second, and the third thing that I just talked about was thinking about the right area, because there is going to be like several metropolitan areas that is just going to say you cannot take a radio scanner. Sevier County is like one of those, okay? Because Sevier County has two problems. All right, the first thing is the half of listening to Gatlinburg, it's like either encrypted or they will not allow you. So like another thing that I would recommend you guys do is just look in that area but they always will have like a countywide dispatch. That is the thing that is really cool about listening to like Owen County. That's a really cool thing about listening into different areas. So what I recommend is that everybody does their research. All right, guys, that's it. Today's video, I just wanted to talk a little bit about like what I learned from using the uniden BC 125AT from going up and using a Whistler all the way up to a wonderful scanner called the BCD 325P2. I am very happy about my choice on the radio scanner, you guys, and I hope everybody has a great day. I hope everybody has a great night. Please be sure, if you guys are new to my channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. My goal is to get up to 150 subscribers by March 29th. If you guys have any questions, I will see you guys back here tomorrow.